In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Slack Connect channels. Slack Connect lets you collaborate with people outside your company in a secure, dedicated channel, and today we'll walk through creating one and reviewing invitations so you can keep everything organized and approved. Start by going to slack.com and opening your workspace in the browser or desktop app. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. That opens a panel with quick settings. On that panel, move to the right and click the three dots, sometimes called the More Actions or Overflow menu, to reveal additional options. From there, choose Account Channels to access your channel management settings. On the page that opens, look to the left sidebar and click Slack Connect. This area is your hub for cross-company channels, requests, and organization-to-organization connections. To begin setting up a shared space, click Share Channel. When prompted, type a channel name. Keep it clear and purposeful so partners understand the topic at a glance. For example, include a project name or team function. Clear names make search and governance easier later. Click Next to proceed, then choose the visibility that fits your use case. Public channels are discoverable within your workspace and make it easy for internal teammates to find and follow along. Private channels are restricted, ideal for sensitive topics or limited access. If you're unsure, start private and open it up later if needed, depending on your workspace policies. After you've made your choice, click Create to finalize the channel on your side. Keep in mind that some organizations require admin approval for Slack Connect actions, so you may see a notice if a review is needed. Once the channel exists, you can move between management views. Click Connections to see the external organizations your workspace is linked with. This helps you confirm who has access across different shared channels and keep an eye on active relationships. Then click Invitations to review activity around new or pending requests. In Invitations, you can manage and review Slack Connect invitation requests from members of your workspace. This is where you'll approve or decline requests, check who initiated them, and confirm that the right partners and channels are being connected. If something looks off, you can decline or ask the requester for more context. If you don't see Slack Connect or certain options, your plan or admin settings may limit access, so check your internal policies. That's it. By following these steps, you can confidently create a Slack Connect channel, pick the right visibility, and manage invitations and connections in one place.